Hello, dear Doctor Wu, and all the TAs. Today, I want to share with you guys Android-based app called Face Plus Plus, and in this app, it will provide us some function that can tell uh, whichever the picture that the user upload to our app and give the user the feedback about how many people inside this picture and make a square tag on those people, and also it will provide you the details like the age, the sexual, and especially the age of the person in this square part. Well, let's go into our today's topic. As you can see here, our paper is called Face Plus Plus based face recognition. And in our project, there are totally four parts. The first part is to introduce its background, and the second part is building an Android-based people and age detection program, and the third part is talk about the core of this app and its corresponding API. And the fourth part is to develop the program and evaluation its results. Well, let's first go into the first part, introduce its background. Well, as all knows, in the last year, there's a website called HowOld.net, and we know which quickly and sharply become one of the famous websites across the world. In this website, it once user provide their own picture or selfies, the system will automatically provide users their you know provide them feedback about how many people's inside this picture and the age and the sexual condition of these people inside this picture. While lying on the site within a few hours, this system has been tested more than 2,000 billion pictures, and in a few days now, how many people use it has been difficult, to statistics. Some media said on Facebook search how the night there's more than 1 million results. The number of related tweets on Twitter has nearly been millions. The site gave us a lot of fun, such as test result and camera light, hair angle, and so look more or less or relationships, things like that. So people constantly upload their new pictures and new photos, try to make yourself fun or make your parents and relatives get a fun, something like that. So that's our backgrounds. And then let's go into the second part. Talk about the building Android-based people and age detection program. Oh, I forgot a point. Let's take a look at the example of this app. As you can see here, this is a brand, and when we see this picture, there's a square will target these people's face, and above this face, it will give us feedback about the sexual condition of this woman. It's a woman or a man, and also its age. Well, also this website is provided by Microsoft. Well, the second part is to build an Android-based people and age detection program. Before we start this program, we need to get an account on Face Plus Plus. As you can see here, you need sign up, and something like that. Once you get a account, you will then go to the build programs phase. And once we build the app, it will give us some detail about the app's name. As you can see here, app's name, app's key, and app's secret, and some URL like that. Also the platform, we use Android. It also provide iOS or some other like Python support, something like that. Well, let's go into the third part, talk about some core code of it. First, let's take a look at the GitHub. It's the general layout is like the common Android app, like you said here, setting, and our code is inside here. Here's some source. This is our setting code, and in here is our code card or our real app code. For those two, one the utils code is something to help us connect with Face official website, and to use their API, get some corresponding service. And this adapter is those common adapter which help us do a lot of things, yes, things like that. And this Face activity is our real code card. Let's take a look at here. There are a lot of callback functions, and those callback functions I will describe it in another program. As you can see here, it's just some success case or error case. There are also some override on create prepare bitmap. As you may all know, our image right now is to store in a bitmap format, which will help us save a lot of storage space, things like that. Yeah, it's build a map, initial event. There's a lot of events will initial here. Well, let's go back into the core card. It's a util. As you can see here, here's the key and secret pairs which we get from previous parts, namely from the Face official website, and we need to use this key to connect with their website. And here's our the thread to constantly communicate with Face, communicate with our app and their Face official API. Because it's a kind of separate program, so we need to make it like a thread. Here's some basic code like request and build a string. Because in their official site they require a bit string, so we need to change our bitmap into bit array stream so that the data can be exchanged between the Face and our app. Those code are basically do such kind of things. And once we send our data, we need some feedback. Those code are our feedback code. It will get a JSON object from the Face website. Once they decode our data, tell us the age, and tell us how many people inside this picture, something like that. And as you can see here, our program has a callback function. You see here, it's a callback function. This callback function will use the callback function we described earlier, in this Java file, like that. When success, it will display the picture with tags, ages, male or female, something like that. Once there's an error, it will display some errors on our Android app. Yeah, that's it. And here is some we get some examples from what. Yeah, here's a Brandy, as you said before, and also there's a Jennifer Lopez. Yeah, that's it. Well, that will be the core of it. And finally, the conclusion is that this app is built on Android. Maybe in the future we can build it on other platform like iOS, Swift, something like that. And also, I only tried some API of this company. Maybe I can try another company, not another company, another APIs from this company. The reason why I use Fizz++, because it sets so less limitations on those developers, not like the HAL.NET developed by the Microsoft. There's lots of limitations on it, so that's why I chose it. So thank you for your hearing. Goodbye.